For the Christmas challenge, we're going to do things a little differently. For many people around the world, the Christmas season is a time of giving. And we know that the Piano Marvel community is full of incredible, kind, and generous people. A few of our recent challenge winners have refused to accept their prize and instead gift it to someone in need. So we thought, wouldn't it be cool if everyone got to feel the joy of giving, not just the winners? Instead of giving away prizes, we'll be working as a team to earn donations for children in need. There's a lot of horrible things going on in the world right now, and while we can't help everyone who needs it, we can make a difference for some. We've recently partnered with 3 organizations to give disadvantaged youth the opportunity to learn piano. But with your help, we can do more. Each time you earn a golden ticket by scoring a 96% or higher on any song in the Piano Marvel Christmas Challenge, you'll earn 1 penny to the cause. At the end of the challenge, we'll donate whatever you've earned to 3 organizations that we've partnered with for this challenge. So, let's meet the organizations. In Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, an after-school program called Club Vallarta is offering sports, music, academic help, and other extracurricular activities to disadvantaged youth who otherwise wouldn't have the opportunity. At a primary school in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, Atia Angels for Learning sponsors students who are unable to afford to attend school. In Haiti, there are very few public schools, so most students who can't afford to pay for school don't get an education at all, which limits their prospects for a career later on. Finally, an orphanage in St. Mark, Haiti, Foyer Croix de Chou, is dedicated to giving kids in their care the best chance at a successful life. We've already donated free Piano Marvel accounts to the children served by these organizations who would like to learn piano, but there's so much more we can do together. In all 3 of these locations, the US dollar goes much further than it does here in the US, so every penny counts. Please join us in making a difference in the lives of these children who have immense potential to do good in the world. As a bonus, the top 3 studios in the challenge will have the unique opportunity to become piano pen pals with the kids at one of these organizations. If you would like to donate personally to any of these amazing organizations, please find the links in the descriptions to donate directly. But even if all you can do is earn 1 golden ticket per day, you'll make a difference. Thank you for being part of our Piano Marvel community and for your willingness to help in this effort. We can't wait to see the amazing things that come.